What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the Google Pixel 5 5G in the building. We're going to unbox this. This is a growing channel. We are adding subscribers every day. So if you like the video, hit us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so that we can grow. I'm really excited with what we've got coming. We've got a lot of brand new tech coming out that we're going to open up here very soon. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that now, and we're going to dive right in. So the Google Pixel 5 is a 6-inch display phone. It is made by Google, so it does come with stock Android, battery 4,000 milliamp. It does have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, 8 gigabytes of memory, 12.2 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and we're going to open this thing up today. Type-C, so on and so forth. So let's open this up. I am a huge fan of Pixel phones. I think that Google does a great job with their individual branding as well as implementation of stock Android. So if you saw the other Google Pixel 4a video, I've got that one linked above. You can check that one out. And in all reality, I would call this the Google Pixel 4a Pro. I don't really see how they did the moniker on this as the Google Pixel 5. I really think that it's more reminiscent of just a Google Pixel 4a Pro in all reality. Yes, this is the Google Pixel 5. It is made out of aluminum, fingerprint scanner. Here's your camera bump. Let's check the rocking test. Doesn't rock too much, but it is 2020, and I definitely think that it is time to flush the bump. Fingerprint scanner. We'll boot that up and check that out in a second. In the box, it's got your normal books and stuff, your SIM card ejector, and I will have to say, the box is mighty thin. It is one of the thinnest boxes that I have seen in a long time. That being said, in this super thin box, we do have your power adapter, USB-C to USB-C, and data transfer, and they put all of this in the box, which is fantastic. In the United States, it is a $6.99 phone. Let me get it booted up and we'll get in. All right, we're back. So, like I was saying, this is the Google Pixel 5. I would more likely say that it's like a Google Pixel 4a Pro in the sense that it has premium materials. The Pixel 4a is very similar to it. Again, a very similar size. Comparing it to an iPhone XS Max, this 6-inch phone does feel a lot better in the hand, especially compared to this big giant phone. I think that they really hit it out of the park with this form factor. I really like the size. It's very pocketable. It's a really good size. I like that it does have one of the smallest camera bumps in the game. So putting it on a table, if you're going to type on it or whatever you're going to do, it does come in very handy and very easy. It does have your typical gestures and all of that with any other Pixel device. And itself, it's a well-built phone. I mean, for the price, I think that it's a little expensive for what it is today. You can always find these on sale in other areas. But like I said, it's more like a Pixel 4a Pro with premium materials, wireless charging, has the fingerprint sensor in the back. And overall, I mean, I feel that it's a really good phone. We're so close to each individual phone now. They're all so good. It's really coming down to personal preference and which platform that you like running apps on. Do you like running apps on an iPhone or do you like running apps on an Android phone? If you like running apps on an Android phone, this is going to be the cleanest, best experience for that because the Pixel doesn't come with any bloatware. Google designed the software, Android, and they've skinned it with its own Pixel skin, so it is perfect for that in itself. So let's go out and we'll take some pictures with this. Let's take a look. Awesome. So let's start with the box. We'll take a picture. Processing time on the picture isn't super fast. There is no dedicated neural engine on this like they previously had in the past. It does have your night sight, your portrait mode, standard camera, video, and more additional settings. For video, this time they're giving you 30 and 60 frames per second, and you do have 4K video recording. So let's record in 4K. Let's take a look at what this looks like on the phone itself. So we'll do a nice little panoramic on the phone. We'll go over to the plant. We'll take a look at those details. And it does seem super smooth. So the video stabilization looks really nice. Doing these nice little panoramics. And we'll check out the color when we merge the videos here. Really excited for what I see here. I really like a nice, simple phone. I really like a nice, simple experience. And I think the Pixel does give you that nice, simple experience with really nice layout and theming. The 90 hertz is really nice, especially when you compare it to an iPhone. All the iPhones are at 60 hertz, so they're nice and all, and they're optimized well. But Google optimizes their phones perfectly, and it's really a personal preference. Do you prefer Android? Do you prefer iPhone? At that sense, it's just a platform, so they're still going to do the same things. You know, if you like the Android platform, you've got your Google Chrome, you've got all of your browser, Instagram, all that fun stuff that you can do on your Google phone as well as your iPhone. But if you're into a smaller form factor, I really like this. I really like this phone. I really like that it has the premium materials. Like I said, it's a Pixel 4a Pro in all reality, but you're getting your money's worth on this because it does have the premium materials. And the back of it has that same textured finish that you saw on the Pixel Buds. So for slippage, it's still not going to slip as easily out of your hand as like the last phone will. So that's the Google Pixel 5 5G. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. We've got more content coming at you soon. Thanks. Bye, guys.